Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Northern Electric Galleon telephone, and this is Kevin's telephone from Washington. And this telephone, most of them that you see are Bakelite, plastic, and this has the metal body, so it's kind of rare. You see a lot of the other ones, but you very rarely ever see the metal body, so that's a plus. Very cool find. And this is the initial checkout, so we want to kind of go through the telephone, and we know that we're going to be replacing the handset cord. It's all frayed. It's not in very good condition, and so that will be replaced. We also want to replace the line cord. We try to save this cloth cord that's on it, but it has some issues. It's got some fraying going on in spots of the cord here, and we want to go ahead and replace that. So that will be replaced with some type of a black rubber line cord, something that's plug and play where Kevin can just simply plug it into any modern day jack. So that'll be taken care of. We want to go through the receiver and the transmitter, make sure that's proper. We want to go through the rotary. If you notice, the rotary is locking up. Doesn't really want to return. So we'll go through that, oil, clean, adjust, and repair any problems or issues that we find there. We also want to do a dial center ring and card, something to the period of this telephone. And we have the body loose, so we'll go ahead and show you the body and the inside. First of all, I want to show you the back of the telephone. Normally, on these Galleon telephones, there would be like some dental work here, lattice work, and there would be slots in the back of this telephone. And this one does not have that. It just has the handle where you pick it up. So that's pretty cool to see that change in them and the difference between the different style telephones. We'll go ahead and show you the inside. And the rotary is a little different than what you would normally see in these telephones. We have our bell, so we want to go through that. Somebody has either disconnected the bell, because that's the line to it, or it doesn't work and we need to repair it. So that circuit will be repaired, and we'll go through that issue. There's a schematic here on the capacitor, and so that's a pretty cool find. A lot of times you don't see the schematic. And we want to go through the network and all the connections. Our bells are kind of loose. That's probably just from age and shipping. That'll be adjusted. So we need to go through a little bit of everything on this telephone and get it into working order for Kevin. So we're going to take a short break. We'll get some more video of this telephone as we move forward in the repair. And we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone. We're going to run through a little bit about what went on. Earlier, we showed the rotary was very sluggish, and it was trying to lock up. So that was totally gone through. It was also oiled, cleaned, and adjusted. We installed a dial center ring and card to the period of the telephone. We went through the receive, the transmit, all of the connections. We repaired the bell circuit. We installed a new modular line cord so it can be plugged into any modern day jack. We also installed a new handset cord, and we went through just basically about everything. So now we want to start our final checks. and we're going to go ahead and ring the telephone. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. Give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, you watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It's dialing out. It has receive and transmit. We have a button here on a switch box, and if we push that, that takes the analyzer totally out of the situation and gives us a line out. We can call a time and temp number. Now they're having problems with their equipment, so you're going to hear the recording start, and then you're going to hear a hum, and then the recording will continue. That's on their end, has nothing to do with what we're doing here. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone.
Good evening. Today is Monday, April 7th. The time is 6:05. Current temperature at 56 degrees. Weatherphone is another community service of First Cloverleaf Bank. Mostly cloudy tonight, lows in the low 40s. Tuesday, mostly cloudy till early afternoon, then becoming partly sunny. 30% chance of a shower, a high 58.
Okay. We can call another number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Kevin, and he can enjoy this telephone now. It's a very cool Northern Electric Galleon telephone with a metal body. Pretty rare telephone. You don't see them very often. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.